Hello, welcome back. We're a few days further on now from when we were outside. Weather's taking a turn, as it always does. We've got a new water pump for the outboard. That was the old one. That's the new one. Notice the difference. So we're just going to drop this in. This is not a how-to video. I just do these videos just for a bit of fun. And also it helps remember how I took them apart. Take things apart. Yeah, there it is. There's a keyway inside it. Don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, it's not a how-to video. Don't do what I do unless you're absolutely desperate. Just going to put a bit of red rubber grease on it if we can ever get the lid off it. I've just stuck the woodruff key. Well, I'm just about to stick this tiny little sort of woodruff key that sits on the shaft. Just to reiterate, this is not a how-to video. I've put some red rubber grease into the pump housing. Put some red rubber grease on this. Hopefully try and make it last a bit longer. Nope, right, it lines up with that one. That's why. Aha, that's clever. Yeah, the keyway inside there lines up with this paddle, and this paddle's got like cross hatching on it to denote that that's the one where the keyway is. I've greased the drive shaft and the gear selector and the one of the threaded dowels that holds the this onto the rest of the motor. Also greased myself. Right. American guy on YouTube made this look so easy. Ah! Gosh, you bastard. Well, it looks like we've got it in. And we've got all the little paddles facing the right way by the looks of it. Yes, boy. How are we doing anyway? We all good? Mental health all good? Everybody? Yeah, you gotta look after that mental health. Stress. Keep that stress under control. Yeah, there's like there is witness marks on the stuff, which is a great help. I don't know if you can see the shiny bit on there. That's must be, well, I would think that's where the impeller's been turning in the past. There is like a location thing on it, but it could be for that pin or that pin. So yeah, the witness marks do help tremendously. Okay, smooth. It's nice. Yeah, the witness mark stuff's really helpful for me because I've got a brain injury and I can't remember where I put things from one second to the next or how I took them apart. So videoing it a lot of the time does help. yeah, my working memory is it's non-existent basically. So top of the housing goes on next. We'll put a little bit of rubber grease on it. It looks like an original part, this. I'm quite surprised how soft and malleable the rubber is on this top seal. Yeah, the weather's been atrocious again. It's just a repeat of last year's weather, just loads of easterlies. And where my boat is, yeah, got a new boat as well. Where my boat is, up in the northeast, if it blows from the east, it's just you just don't catch. I don't know what it is. I don't know why, but you just don't catch. And it's been nothing but easterlies. That's why there were very few videos last year of me fishing, because of the easterly winds. It's just a waste of time going out, waste of fuel. I'm going to have to dust off the old light spinning gear. Get on the rocks with some lures and dust off the beach casting gear. I'm well known for over tightening things. Two-stroke, burns oil. That's how they run. They switch oil with the petrol.